I'm so glad you joined me again. As the weather starts getting warmer, it's nice to know how to control your hair in ways that are more optional, not the same old ponytail. So I'm going to show you some techniques to create some modern up hair, ways to control your hair, particularly in the nape area, whether it's long or short or even very short. If there's nothing to grab, well then it's not going to work. But if it is, if there's enough to just get your fingers around, then yes, you're gonna like that. It's really nice. Okay, so the way in which you would do that is you grab the entire section from the occipital bone down, or the nape of the hair, and you take your brush. You can, if the hair is extra short, you can use a little bit of mousse in there, or a little bit of hairspray in there held close so it dampens the hair just a little bit. You would brush into it as you see here, and then you would twist it. Now here what's key to it is keep your hand very, very close to the head. Don't distance it. Don't be brushing it up and pulling it out, but rather straight up. The shorter the hair, the more that's true. I would definitely use a product that could dampen the hair like a mousse or a very, very strong or very thick gel. Keep in mind though that when those polymers dry, they're going to be stiffer, but it'll hold every time. And then remember, as you can see in the video, I'm putting the pin in and then pushing down, not up and not to the side, in and down. And the reason for that is because then gravity will keep it right where you want it. About this particular product, the Strong Gel by L'Oreal Professional out of the men's line. Here's the thing about that is that for whatever reason I can't recommend it. They're not going to make it anymore. In fact, I understand they've stopped making it already. So if you want to, you could complain or put in a request to L'Oreal that, hey, I want this product because it's thick and it's strong and it helps to mold the hair, like you can see I've done on mine. Or you could simply just use a gel you've got. That'll work really, really well.